This 2011 Toyota Camry has been scanned and a code P0101 turned on the check engine light for the customer. P0101 code indicates the mass airflow sensor is not performing as intended. The ECM reads the return signal from the unit and senses it is not within original specifications. In this engine, the air filter housing was not secured, allowing unfiltered air to enter before the mass airflow sensor. The dirty air contaminated the sensor's hot wire. Now that we have diagnosed the problem, it is time to replace the mass airflow sensor. Here is the OEM replacement mass airflow sensor from United Motor Products. These are new units and not remanufactured. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The first item out of the box is this sheet that shows the performance curve of the actual sensor in the box. The chart shows the performance characteristics of this unit versus the OEM. This way we know that the sensor is functioning at OE levels. The mass airflow sensor comes in a sealed anti-static bag that blocks static electricity from damaging the sensor's sensitive electronic components during shipping. When applicable, the sensor housings also come with end caps to keep dirt and contaminants off of the sensor. The sealed bag is also beneficial because you know the part you are about to install is factory fresh and not a previously returned part. Here is the new housing that is made as a direct fit to your application. It is made of PBT, polyglass filled polymer. This composition gives the housing the longevity to maintain its structural integrity, to withstand extreme temperature changes and vibrations that occur under the hood. Inside the housing is the sensor. The sensing element is protected by the sample channel that directs the change in air over the hot wires inside. If the sample channel does not match the original design, it can cause drivability issues and codes because it does not accurately measure the amount of air or the temperature of the air entering the engine. At the top of the sensor is the brains of the mass airflow sensor. Inside is a custom-built circuit board that is manufactured using the OEM specifications for your vehicle. The circuit board processes the readings from the sensor and sends them to the car's engine control module. As we mentioned earlier, this is not a remanufactured unit, so you don't have to worry about old solder joints and connections that could cause problems due to mechanical and thermal stresses. This United Motor Products mass airflow sensor was manufactured at a state-of-the-art facility that is ISO and TS certified. These are the same quality standards used by every OEM. So what does this mean for you and your customer? ISO and TS standards mean that when you install this unit, you can be assured that this mass airflow sensor meets the OEM specifications for performance, longevity, and reliability. Let's install the sensor. The sensor bolts up to the air filter housing and the connector is plugged into the side of the housing. But you are not done yet. You will need to tell the ECM a new mass airflow sensor was installed. Why? Because the ECM will adapt to an aging sensor over time. The reset procedure can vary depending on the make and model. Some methods require disconnecting the battery cables, while others resets might require a scan tool. It is always a good idea to perform a test drive after following the resetting procedures for your vehicle. This will ensure there are no other issues and the check engine light is out. While other manufacturers of mass airflow sensors offer only 1 to 3 or 36,000 mile warranties, United Motor Products has the confidence in this and all of its sensor products to warranty their sensors for 5 years or 50,000 miles. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.